In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Xero account transactions report to audit data. We'll walk through how to find the report, set it up correctly, and read it in a way that helps you spot issues fast. Start inside your Xero organization and head to the reporting area. This is your central hub for everything from quick summaries to detailed audits. Once you're there, open the All Reports view so you can see the full library. It's much faster to find what you need from the complete list rather than hunting around different menus. Use the search bar and type the word account. This narrows the list to the reports related to general ledger activity. From the results, choose the account transactions report. Think of this report as your magnifying glass on the general ledger. It shows every line that has hit the accounts you select with dates, descriptions, contacts, and amounts. Now choose the accounts you want to review. You can select a single account for a focused check or select multiple accounts to look across a group, like all revenue or all expense accounts. For audits, selecting multiple related accounts can reveal patterns you might miss if you look at them in isolation. Next, set the date range. Align it with the period you're auditing, month, quarter, or year. If you're investigating a specific issue, a custom date window that brackets the event often makes anomalies jump out. Make sure your periods start and end match your close process so totals tie back to your other reports. Before you run the report, customize the columns. Adding the right columns turns raw activity into an audit-ready view. Useful fields often include contact or payee, reference or document number, tracking categories or cost centers, tax rate, and narration or description. These details make it easier to trace a transaction back to its source and spot entries that look out of place or incomplete. Click Update to refresh the report with your selections. You'll see a detailed listing of transactions that match your filters. Scroll through with an auditor's eye. Look for unusual amounts, duplicate references, missing descriptions, or postings to accounts that don't fit the nature of the transaction. Consistency across date, contact, and description usually signals clean data. Inconsistencies are cues to investigate further. At the bottom, check the closing balance. This figure is your total movement for the selected accounts and dates. It's a quick way to confirm that the detail you're reviewing reconciles to the period total you expect. That's the full workflow. Find the report, filter the accounts and dates, add the right columns, update, review the detail, and confirm the closing balance. Follow this approach each period, and you'll turn the account transactions report into a reliable audit checkpoint for your Xero data.